Hey everyone, Canadian Trucking Magazine, Dave MacKenzie here, and I'm going to talk about OWLCAM. OWLCAM. You know, we're talking about all kinds of cameras for the next week or so, because we're going to find a camera that works for everybody. We're going to get you some special prices, and we're going to make sure that they're cameras that work. The OWLCAM is a real-time video camera, and we really like it. We like the alerts, the notifications, we like the live view, the history anywhere, and it protects your vehicle, your family, and it protects your driver's license, because it is the silent witness. I'll just put that up there, folks, and hopefully I don't litter. So we're going to do what we call an open box here. And this OWLCAM that we're going to talk about today, it does video alerts when a break-in is detected, live video to see and hear from anywhere, live operator assistant when there's a car crash. Think about that. And these are options you can get as well. It's a 4G LTE, it's a hands-free voice-controlled one, and it's an easy 6-minute install. No tools, no adhesives. Okay, so that's for everybody, but let's see if it works the same for me. Break-ins. The flashing green beacon warns thieves to stay away, because it's like an alarm system. An alert is instantly sent to your phone if an event is detected, and you can live view to see what's happening in real time from anywhere on your phone. And what's included? Well, we got this HD 1440 outside and inside camera, 4G LTE, GPS, Wi-Fi, LCD touchscreen, a two-way audio, anti-theft security, beacon and LED floodlights, and your 4G service, the first year is included. So an OWLCAM 911 assist operator, unlimited video alerts and image notifications, and 60 minutes a month of live viewing history. 60 minutes a month is all included when I open this box. So we've got the tech guy Robert here if I run into any problems, and you might see me turn and say, Robert, help me, what am I doing? Because he's done more of these than I have, and we're testing these out together. We're going to put them in the cars, we're going to put them in the trucks, we're going to put them everywhere to try them out and see what's going on. So we open the box, and it's a beautiful little box. It's got a serial number and everything else. And when we open it, we have in here a nice little welcome thing, saying that they love vehicles and they love, you know, maybe I should read this from OWLCAM here. They've got a thing that says, we love vehicles and the people in them. That's why we built OWLCAM, the first vehicle camera that looks out for you and your vehicle during driving and parked. We're committed to providing you the best class and features and services to give you the peace of mind. This includes live view and video alerts, so you can always tell your side of the story, and OWLCAM 911 Assist to make sure you and your loved ones are okay after a crash. We started this company in my garage, as in Andy's garage, with a dream of helping to make our commuters safe and more civil. Every year, millions of people are impacted by break-ins, bad drivers, and crashes that aren't their fault. Together, I think we can make a change on how people drive, more importantly, how people treat one another on the road. We always work to get better, so please reach out and share what you love and you don't, your ideas for new features. We're here 24/7. Just give us a call, and they give their number, 800-732-7131. And thanks for riding with an OWLCAM. Cheers, Andy Hodge, the founder, CEO of OWLCAM's cameras. And of course, they have in here the instructions, and which is just fantastic instructions here. I'm going to while I'm talking and going through the other things. I'm going to handle these instructions to Roberto, to Rob Radmax, that you see on YouTube and Canadian Trucking Magazine, my #1 son, and let him read these excellent instructions. And while he's doing that, I'm going to pull out some of the things. Now, this is an interesting one. This one is set up for a car. What it has, it's got the plug-in into, what do you call it, Robert? The thing you plug it into a car, a
OBD2.
OBD2, into your OBD2. And I'll tell you the reason why. Is this will detect a crash. This gives it the power. This gives it the information it needs to protect you. So this cord is long enough that I'll show you that it will go into an OBD2. And let me just get these off. And look at this. Look at the length of that cord, folks. That is a nice sized cord to go into the OBD2. We also have with this our camera, and it is beautiful. Maybe I'll peel off the protective tape off it. So I'm taking the protective tape off. You notice I checked with the tech guy to make sure. And on one side we got the beautiful screen. On the other side we have the camera. The camera. And the connections for it. I'll put this up here, folks, like this. Here we've got the beautiful little mount. That's a lovely little mount, eh? And we'll peel this off. It's a different mount than you've seen on other cars, how this works. It's a great little mount. And I think, is this mount a magnetic mount, Robert? Is that what it is, or no? Yes. Look at that, folks. That is kind of cool. It's a magnetic mount. So instead of having to do anything, it's here on this magnet. Look at this. You can twist it around, you can move it. There's no tightening anything, there's nothing else. It's a magnetic mount, which is really, whoa, nice technology. I'm gonna break everything here, folks. I'm just gonna break everything. And we've got some other mounting paraphernalia here. We've got different lengths of mounting brackets that we can use with this. And it's really neat because it just fits right in. Then we've got these neat little tools here. So my question is, did you have a chance to look at the instructions for mounting in that? Robert says yes, he's got it. And choose a position in your vehicle. We're gonna put it in a Nissan today, and I'm just getting the stuff ready and get it all set up to go. Of course, I'm gonna be smart. I'm gonna let the tech guy, my #1 son Robert, be the person to decide which length he wants and which way he wants to do it. And I'm just going to record it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'll give Robert the wires for the OBD2. Looks like you're already down there finding it. So as we go over, you can see Robert's down there, and he's locating where the OBD2 is under the dash, and he's going to plug into it. As it's a rental car we're using, it's probably hidden away in the Nissan, so we can't see it as easily. And I'm just going to flash. Look how beautiful it is, everybody, as we're here. What a beautiful day. This is just wonderful. I want to also make a point of letting everybody know that I'm using a Blue Parrot headset. Did you notice that, everybody? And the neat thing about that is that I'm talking completely off Blue Parrot, and really nice headsets, because I'm going to be getting people to go in and like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to give some of these out to people. One, because I always wear the Blue Parrot headset, and I love it. Number two, I want people to have a nice headset, one that's really nice, one that they like, and everything else. These are so cool. This is a cool way of doing things. I really like this. They've got all the different sizes and everything else. So absolutely fantastic. We'll let Robert pick the size, see which side he wants to put on and everything else, and get this installed. And I like the size of the camera. And again, one of the neat things about this is the way that this works. It's just fantastic. Magnetic and everything else. I'm just going to check to see if you're ready. What do you want first? The mount? Okay, so we're going to bring the mount in to Robert here. You know what? We're going to bring him everything. We're going to shift this around here a minute, folks. We're going to bring him all the neat pieces. This beautiful day. And here he's got the wire run already. And he's got the mount. And as I say, it's a 6-minute installation. And I can tell you honestly, folks, we have not practiced this. We're doing this the same time that you're doing this. So, see how that sits? It's got a double thing on the dash, so that that one part goes into the dash to give it support. We're going to go longer on this. Look at this. This is really cool, this mount. Really cool. And we're doing this on a car, but you can do this on your big truck and everything. And he has it in, and it's locked in, and it's there. Just check the wires, make sure that it's going to work. It's got the OWLCAM, going to plug in. And there it is. Look at that, folks.
Switch your spots.
That's about a 6-minute installation, eh?
Yeah,
Probably less, Robert says. Pretty easy. He says, even my dad can do an installation like that. So, you can see it's got in-car camera. And here you can see there's the OWLCAM box. And as I say, we're going to be recommending, not only are we going to be recommending a camera for you to use, but we're also going to be giving away a camera to people. When we have chosen the right dash cam for you, we're actually going to give one away. And so you're going to get one free. So I'll put this up on here for a sec, just for placement value. And there you go. Installed, ready to work, and get ready for us to provide you with the information. I guess it wants the...
download the app, yeah.
Download the app from the paper.
Scan the QR code with your phone.
Scan it. Oh, excellent. So I just scan that with my phone.
Yeah.
Then it's on my phone, and I'm off and laughing.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone. That's it for this installation. Make sure to watch. Make sure that you subscribe. And make sure you share, because you're going to have a chance to win a dash cam, and the rest of you, we're going to get a CTM discount. We may be giving away a few of these, so make sure you share it out. Thank you for watching today.